Hello from Budapest. We are here with Tina and some friend of ours. We spent some amazing days here in Budapest, and this trip made me think a lot about the why of starting an online business. So different people start an online business for different reasons. Some people start an online business because they just want to escape their frustrating 9-to-5 job. Some other people start an online business because they want to follow a passion of theirs. So they start an online business around this passion. Some other people start an online business just because they want more money and they want to live the lifestyle. Some other people start an online business because they want more time to spend with their family, because an online business actually can give you more money, more flexibility, geographical freedom, financial freedom, time freedom, so you can work from anywhere using just a laptop or even a smartphone. And this trip made me think and actually reminded me that one of the reasons why I started my first online business, now I have 4 online businesses, is that I really want to spend more time with my friends, with my family as well, but also with my friends, because I remember working the 9-to-5 job as in sales as an expert manager, and friends calling me, "Hey Stathis, we're out, you want to join us?" And I was so tired, I was so frustrated, so exhausted that the only thing I wanted to do is go to sleep. And then I woke up and went to work again and had no energy actually to see my friends. And I mean, is it worth it to live a life like this, commuting every morning and not enjoying our social relationships? So starting an online business gave me more free time and also more money to be able to travel around with my friends. And that's what I want to share with you. So I'm going back to my friends now. Click the link below and Stuart will explain to you step by step how to start your first online business. Bye.